most men that I talk to don't actually believe that they're ever going to be able to overcome a porn addiction. So I think that's the number one thing that prohibits
Lack of
men from
self-belief.
finding freedom is the lack of self-belief in and of yourself. So a lot of our work is tied to that identity, is tied to getting into the subconscious and really reprogramming how we see ourselves. So number one would be you would fail or relapse due to lack of belief in and of yourself. And secondly would just be the inability to do the things necessary to live a porn-free life. So
Okay.
if you're going to go without pornography, or if you're going to overcome your addiction, there are certain things that you must do every single day and certain things that you must not do every single day. And once you're clear on those, it's a lack of character or a lack of principles in your
Accountability.
life. Yeah, I wouldn't even say accountability because it's you having to. So accountability is externally. It's you. You can't do the things or you can't not do the things. So the
Uh-huh.
only two reasons, in my opinion, are going to be to lack of the belief. That's where self-sabotage would come into picture, or you don't have the ability through your character development. And we can
Yeah.
help you in building that. Because character, like I think sometimes when people hear me, say that you would fail due to lack of certain character traits, I think people hear that as me talking about people from a negative way. And that's not a judgment of somebody because character and character traits are not something that you're innately born with. They're developed over time. This is what self-development is about, is developing character traits to become a better person. So if you cannot do the things that are necessary to live a porn-free life, or you can't not do the things that are necessary, like consuming pornography,
Yeah.
that's a lack of certain traits about who you are. So those would be in my opinion, the two reasons why somebody would either fail or relapse after finding freedom.